Hello guys, here welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for the subscribers, 10,000 subscribers. Guys, I'm very happy for reaching 10,000 subscribers. Some people will say, it's just a small thing. No, for me, it's not a small thing. Thank you so much. God bless you. So today we have something to unbox. I can see them here. We're going to get started. Here we do unboxing, product review, and this is among the things we do here in our channel. So let's see what is here. In this landed today, and now let us see what is it. I think it's from Temu, guys. I think it's from Temu. I think so. I don't know. I can't remember me ordering this. I don't know if at all it's not what I ordered. If it's by mistake, that surely means I'm going to send it back to them, because I don't know what is this really. So let's open. Oh God, again. I'm trying my best not to scatter the carton, so that if it's something that I did not order, if it's by mistake, I send it back to them. Did I order this something? Imagine. Did I order something like this? Did I order something like this, guys? I don't know. We will be asking. Why am I asking you? I remembered. Is it how it looks like? Hey, elevating small edge table. Oh my goodness, guys! I remembered I saw something like this in Temu, and I don't even know that I later take it. You know, when you are reading, or when you are making some videos, like you want to sit down, you need a size table that is a little bit higher. And I saw it, how they pose it looks so beautiful, and I said, I think I need something like this. Maybe I would get it and see if at all I will be using it to keep when I am want to sit on a couch making a sit down video. And I think I clicked on it. I can't remember again. Oh my goodness. Wow, it's really good here. I think this would be the downside, and this would be the upside, where you're going to keep something like book, even if you want to write something. I have writing table, but I think I need the one at the couch side that is a little bit up. And this is what came, guys, and this is what really came here. You need to set it up. Let's see how we're going to set it up. It came with these two boards. Let me just call it boards, 1 and 2, small and big one. And this arrow, this iron, that looks like, if it's a mathematics people, what do they call this kind of arrow, or this kind of or shape? Let's say shape, not angle. So it came also with this, and with some things you can use to tight thing, and this. And the last here it came with is this here. Okay, I think this will be the holder where it's going to stand. I think this will serve me. Let it serve me, because I want something a little bit higher, not too low. Okay, I have a side table that is low but not too high that you can sit and write without bending. That's why I get this. I'm going to set it after this. Let's see what is here before we set this. Oh, really? This really came. Guys, I got this. Some of you know this. If you want to squeeze like orange fruit, any fruit you want to squeeze, you don't want to use juicer or blender. You just put it here and now squeeze it out and put your cup. It will pour. I think so. Okay, after squeezing it, then you pour it out from here, from this opening here. So that is why I got it. Look, it's easier and it is more practice. Dutch call it practice. It's more practice than using big blender when you want to maybe blend one orange. You want to drink one orange juice. You want to use blender. I think I see it, so that is not so good for me. That's why I got this. I hope this will work. I'm going to try it. Whenever I try it, I'm going to tell you that it's working or not. Okay. And oh, this is my sports shoe. I actually got this as a sports shoe. Let me see. It's a sport house shoe. I just got it like as a house shoe, or if I want to walk around the home, mostly in the cold time, I like to wear it. Oh my god. What? This is not actually what I want here. And the picture, it looks so beautiful, so awesome. Okay. It's manageable. I will show you the picture how I saw it before I say let me order it. I bought this before. It lasted me for a good time. I use it at work to do work as a house shoe at work, and it served me like a lot of times. It was last 2 years or I bought that shoe. It was so good. Even if it's dirty, I wash it in the washing machine and it still came out good. I say, oh, this shoe is good, because some shoes when you wash in the washing machine, it will spoil. But that one I bought first, I washed it in the washing machine 2 times. It still look new. People at work were asking me, you bought a new shoe, but that was the old one, only that it was a little bit dirty. Then I washed it in the washing machine. It came out looking good. So I say, and I love it. When I use it to work, I feel very comfortable without even feeling hot. That's why I say let me get it again. But the one I'm seeing now is does not even look like the first one. Well, we're going to see if it's going to serve us. There's too much talk. Let me set this and I will come back to you and show you how it looks, if at all I like it or not. So watch. I will put the picture. I will put the picture after setting it, because I don't want this video to be too long. Okay guys, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. And what again, thank you so much for 10,000 subscribers. God bless you. Love you. Bye. So this is me after fixing it. Now you can see now I can sit. I can keep my hand here and put my book, and as well make use of it. I love it. It's so nice. I can keep it by this